In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart data in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, which format to choose, and how to save a clean CSV file you can use in spreadsheets, databases, or custom analysis. First, make sure you are looking at the chart you actually want to export. The export will reflect the symbol, the time frame, and the data your chart is built on. If you are analyzing daily bars or intraday intervals, keep that active on the screen. This helps ensure the file you download matches the context of your analysis. Now head to the upper right area of the TradingView interface. Find the main menu icon, often shown as 3 horizontal lines, or the small drop-down near the Layout Manager. That's where TradingView houses chart-level actions. Click that menu, and from the list, choose Export Chart Data. This opens a simple dialog that guides the rest of the process. Next, you'll select a date format. You have 2 practical choices. Unix time gives you timestamps in milliseconds since the Unix epoch. This is ideal if you are feeding the data into code, backtesting tools, or databases that expect precise, machine-friendly time values. The ISO format, on the other hand, is a human-readable date and time, like a standard YYY 2000-1000 with hours and minutes. That's the better pick if you plan to review data in Excel or Google Sheets. Share it with colleagues, or keep it as a clean reference. One quick tip: the time zone will follow your chart's settings, so consider that when comparing multiple exports. When you are ready, click Export. TradingView will generate a CSV file short for comma-separated values. CSV is a universal text format that opens cleanly in most spreadsheet apps and analytical tools. After the download prompt appears, choose a clear file name and a folder you'll remember, especially if you export frequently. Once the file is saved, you can open it to see the output. You'll typically find timestamps alongside pricing information such as open, high, low, close, and often volume, aligned with your chosen time frame. If you are working in a spreadsheet and dates or numbers don't look right, use the app's import options to specify the correct delimiter and date style. That quick adjustment prevents misreads caused by regional settings. And that's the full process. Open your target chart. Use the top right menu to select Export Chart Data, pick Unix or ISO time based on your workflow, and export to CSV. Simple, consistent, and ready for analysis.